The Falkenberg Strandbad Hotel, located on the beautiful west coast of Sweden. Guests here experience ultimate relaxation. One major reason for this is the cloud-based air handling solution, which brings nothing but advantages for everyone involved. With simple implementation of the software and continual updates included, IV Produkt Cloud proved to be the best solution. This is yet another success story in the more than 30 years of collaboration between IV Produkt and Siemens. With Climatix IC, Siemens offers its partners a cutting-edge, open, scalable cloud solution for its air handling units.
Our cloud solution benefits everyone. As a leading provider, we can offer even more innovative products. The installers can improve the service quality. The end customer get easier control, lower cost, and a better indoor climate.
Thanks to plug and play, the cloud connection already pays off during production. Pre-configured, tested applications and intelligent bundling of components increase efficiency and reduce costs during the commissioning phase. Parameters can also be easily transferred to the controllers via the cloud, resulting in fewer sources of error, with full remote access using Siemens certified CSA security. Everything under control at a glance. The site map provides a complete overview of all units. The locations are displayed using the colors of traffic lights. Most of them do not require direct on-site action, and with the help of the cloud, the installer can react right away on his mobile device. Thanks to the cloud, problems are reported directly to the tablet. Non-critical errors, like a frost sensor defect in the summer, can be planned in advance, and defective devices replaced at a suitable time. This increases installation productivity and creates additional capacity. The trained installer can use the cloud to evaluate the data of the components and identify the current condition of each part. This reduces the servicing workload for the installer and means reliable operation without downtimes for the user. Changes at short notice can easily be adjusted remotely, whether it means different operating times, higher airflow, or additional rooms. Simply adjust the set points to your current requirements. With Climatix IC Cloud, every user is optimally equipped for the future. For example, by integrating customer systems using API interfaces. This opens up a wide range of new possibilities for controlling HVAC applications in the future over the open platform, and enabling them to respond more directly and quickly to requirements.
Thanks to Climatix IC and our successful partnership with Siemens, we can carry out demanding projects and take a major step towards sustainability.
When building technology creates perfect places, that's ingenuity for life.